Hello everyone and welcome. In this video we'll be talking about Git Reset and Git Revert. Now Git Reset and Git Revert are both used to go back to past commits and work with those past commits, but they both do it in a different way. So let's start with Git Reset because I believe that's the simpler one. Git Reset basically resets to a different commit, modifying all of the commits that were made after that commit depending on its variations. As for variations, we have the soft, which basically uncommits all those commits that were after the given commit. There is the mixed, which is the default setting, which unstages, so uncommits and unstages those changes. And there is the hard, which completely deletes every commit that was made after the given commit that we want to reset to. On the other hand, Git Revert, which is more frequently used because it's considered the safer option, resets to a given commit or resets a given commit, and then it makes a commit that other commit was reset. So it leaves a mark that there was a reset there, and this is useful because if you're working in a team, you don't want to delete commits because others might have opened branches there, they might want to merge there. And that's just not the way to do it. You might even lose data if you do the hard way. So instead, we usually use the Git Revert. Let's take a look at these two options in practice. Alright, so back here in VS Code, I've made some commits. So if I say git log, then it will list our commits, and I have 6 commits that we'll be working with. So currently we are on commit 6. Alright, so let's start experimenting with the reset. So I say git reset, then we'll give the variation. First of all, let's have a look at the soft version. And now we'll say head, which is the current pointer, and to which commit do we want to reset to. So I want to reset to the commit 5 because the head is currently on the commit 6. And by giving it an index, you can say to which commit you want to go back. But since it's only one back, and if we have a look now, you can see that there is no change because we decided it should be soft, except that it got uncommitted. So if I now say git log, you can see the head is currently at commit 5 and there is no commit 6. I can come back here and say commit 6 just to reset this, and now I can clear this. And again say git log, the head is currently at commit 6, back where we started. Now let's do the same, but with the default settings, which is the mixed, so I don't even need to write out mixed. I just say git reset head, and let's go back 2 commits. So we will be at commit 4. I clear this now. And if I say git log now, you can see we're at commit 4, and there is a change, because it says that I've changed it to 6, which I didn't really, but here you can see it was originally commit 4, so we went back to commit 4. Now again, I'll just make a new commit here. This one is going to be commit 5 now because we've also deleted commit 6. And now let's look at the hard flag. So git reset --hard, and we want to go back, for example, we are on commit 5 now, 3 commits. Then if we come back to our index.html, you can see it's changed to commit 2, and there are no changes. It basically deleted everything, set back everything to commit 2. If we check it out in the git log, you can see the head is at the second commit. Alright, so I made one more commit, and now we are going to make another one, which is going to be a mistake commit. Now let's have a look at the commits. The current head is on the mistake, and now we start playing a little bit with the git revert. So git revert, and then you again give it the head to which commit you want to go back to. For example, right now this works a little bit different. Head is on the 0, and I want to revert this mistake. So because this is a mistake, we don't want this, we want to revert this. I just say this git revert head, and here it's going to say revert mistake. This reverts this commit. This is the identifier of the commit. we are going to say okay, do it. And if I say git log now, you can see the head is currently at the revert mistake. The mistake is still there. And if I go down, we are currently at commit 3 because we reverted the mistake. That means the changes applied will be from before the mistake, so commit 3. Now let's try again, but with a different approach this time. We will say git revert and give the ID of this commit 2. So I'm going to just copy this and then paste it here. And git revert and then the ID of the commit. It gave us a merge conflict, which we can easily resolve. Let's say I will accept the commit 1, because if we revert the commit 2, then it should be the commit 1 that's accepted. So accept all changes from the left, which are the incoming changes. And then we complete the merge. And yet again, it makes a commit that we've reverted commit 2, which we accept. I clear the console. There you can see it already changed to commit 1. And I simply say git log. The head is currently at revert commit 2. So it's all working fine. That's all I wanted to show of git revert and git reset. Remember, git revert is used more often because it's the safer option. But I also like to use git reset because of the simplicity that it offers. With that, if you found value in this video, please consider giving it a like and maybe subscribing. Other than that, I hope to see you in the next one.